Moberg. I am the Director of the Student Success Center. I am really looking forward and excited to meet all of you. So come on inside and we'll take a tour of our classroom. Remember to mask up.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Casamasa. I'm here to help you with math throughout the year, and this is our classroom.
Here is our classroom. When you come in, this will be where my office is located. And in here we have the area where you will be working on your computers. This is Mrs. Theoret, one of our helpers in her office. And over here we have Mrs. Sturdy, who will be also helping us throughout the day. And another section of our classroom. We cannot wait to meet you. We cannot wait to see you. We're excited everyone will be back. See you soon.